Hey guys, what's up? So I'm just gonna do an unboxing and setup of an Apple Watch. So we got this during the holiday, and actually the Apple Watch SE. We got it for like $150. Ordered from Walmart on Black Friday, so wasn't too bad. It has cellular and GPS. So you see, it's still the wrapper's still on. So I'm gonna do an unboxing of this, and then an easy setup, like just to show you guys if you're not already aware how to set it up. So I'm not sure if it shows down here. You can see it's actually it's a SE. It's gold. It's pretty nice. Gold aluminum case, Starlight Sport Band. I'm gonna take this wrapper off, and all right, in the back, it's pretty nice. The case. Take that off and open it from here. All right, and we're actually gonna. You can see the band on this side too, which is pretty cool. Take this side off too. And we'll unravel it like this. Alright, so we have, pretty cool. Alright, and then we have this right here. On the back of it, we have some information regarding it. Alright, so we're going to open this up. And pull the tape down. Okay. Not the murder this thing. I'm not really sure the good way to open this, but we shall just open it. Is there any other way to open this thing? Yeah. This is like very, very glued. Alright, there we go. It's not going to be pretty. Here we go. We have like a little manual. And then we have right here. We have the band right here, which is pretty cool. That's the band. That's like an Escher band, I think. Yeah. We have this right here. It's so satisfying taking that out. Alright. And then we have right here. Take that out. That in here is your Apple Watch. Should open from the top like this. Pull this down. And then we have this right here. Don't let that come out. Okay, we got the Apple Watch right here. Very nice. And then we have this thing comes out, just like that. This thing right here, which is our Apple Watch charger. Then we have, that's it. Yeah, that's it. A little manual thing for it. Says open bands, put them together, and you can just charge it by putting it like that, and then you can also connect it to the phone. So you just want to get your iPhone. Alright, you guys might actually have to update this to the latest iOS version. Oh, lastly, just want to mention, guys, before we begin with the screen recording, is that if you guys want to put the bands on, it's actually really easy. So you want to go from the side, right, just like this, and you want to just slide it right in there. And that's it. That's good. It's good. And the other side, you can just make sure something like facing the right side, and then put it in like that, and then you can grab your wrist. So make sure it's on the right side. Usually this button is on your right side, the big one, so you know. If you're left, you're ready. Put it on, and then on this side, you have your little band right here that you put the hole into. So you just like that, put into one of the holes. All right, and then actually, you know what? Better if I'd so like this. Put it into one of the holes, and then once you guys do that, you want to put this band in here, and that's it, just like that. And then you have it like this. So you're gonna hold this button right here. This is the volume button, the big one, and the one below it. You want to hold that down, and it comes on. But right now it's dead, so I'm just gonna charge it up. And I'll be right back. And lastly, I'm gonna take this out right now, but take this out right here, the charger. Common, should be common sense to most of you guys, but people who don't actually never done this before, that's why I want to go with everything. I'm actually gonna take this charger out, all right? And we actually have like an extra band right here, just in case you lose one. And you guys do need a head part, like actually. No, yeah, no, you do. Still need a head part. These are weird. I hate the USB-C ones. I like the other ones, the longer, thicker one. I think the USB-A's or whatever. But nah, USB-A's with Microsoft ones, whatever. I don't like these USB-C's. But pretty much you put the charger right underneath, and it's kind of like magnetic. And that's how you get charging. You plug this in, you charge it. And also, if you guys want to get rid or just change your bands, you can always buy like new bands. On the back of it, you're gonna see this little thing on top. You see. Like that in the back of it, right up here, there's a little button. You just want to click on this right here. Click that in, and then you guys can actually remove. It's hard showing you. Go click that in with your nail, and you can slide this off. You do it both sides. Like that. That's you guys take it off, and then you put like another band on there. All right, so you want to actually connect your Apple Watch or your phone to the Apple Watch. So when you guys turn it on, you're gonna be next to it, and you guys tap on continue. If it doesn't come up, you just open up the Apple Watch app, which is this app right here, the Watch app. Also, you might have to update your iOS version to the latest iOS version if it doesn't let you do this. So once you guys do this, you can do so for myself or for a family member, depending on what you're trying to do. And it's gonna search for an Apple Watch. English, United States, start pairing. Okay, once you're there, we can just go to open up the app, go to all watches, go to add new watch, set up for myself. Okay. Put your phone on. Oh my gosh. There you go. You paired it, and then we'll go to continue. All right, and then wait for this to load. Okay, once you guys are here, tap on agree. Okay. Okay. And then you can just create a passcode if you want. Okay. Enter new passcode. Okay. And continue. That's there. Just go back. Not now. Continue. It's loading. Okay. And you do your Apple Pay when it's up later in settings. And then you can just tap wherever you want. All right, and that's gonna start loading. So Apple Watch is syncing. So you wanna wait for it to sync, and then after it syncs, you guys should be all good to go. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys next one. Peace. All right, guys, and you are all good to go now. So just be a little patient, and then eventually it'll load. Tap on OK here, and there you go. You have the new Apple Watch set up here. You tap on it, and tap on the eye or do whatever. Have that information right there. Unpair it down below, and we have our Apple Watch right here. So you can tap on here, enter our passcode in. There you go. So you tap on here. We have our stuff here. Tap on this right here, and we have our stuff here. Take pictures, and do whatever. Pretty cool. Close out the tabs. Go to here. Okay. Apple Card. And yeah, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.